The toughest question that I think that we get, on top of what Kate already said, would be, are you looking to replace me? Right? I try to head that off before we even get there. Because I am, that's never our goal. It's never going to be our goal as an organization. I'm married to a therapist. We would never want to replace behavioral health providers, right? The ultimate goal of our org is to make their lives easier and to prevent providers from burning out of the field, right? Like Kate, right?
Right here.
So exactly. So, but that is the toughest question, right? Because people come in, ultimately they come into the training scared. So we have to go into the training, like the number one thing that we talk about when we go into like bringing on new trainers is you have to go into the training from a place of empathy, because if you're not meeting the providers knowing that they are scared that we're coming in trying to like take their jobs, then like we're not meeting them where they're at. And again, that's the theme of what I talk about, right? Is meeting them where they're at.